So in this video, we're going to be talking about high tide. I don't really have time to edit this video, and I really don't think my editing even matters that much, to be honest. I'm just going to show my face and talk about it, you know, whatever. But yeah, we're going to be talking about high tide. High tide had some news today regarding their 20th Ontario retail store opening up in Ottawa, in Ontario. So that's really, really good. They are expanding in Ontario in a big way, very, very fast, and I like seeing this. But as a shareholder, so no. Let's recorrect this. I'm not a shareholder. I'm a bag holder. So as a bag holder, I like to see this. Like I said, Nasdaq listing did not matter. Why? Because High Tide is trading at $8.27. I don't know what the market is going to do, or rather what rich people will do, because let's be honest, I don't think retail investors move high tide stock. I think high tide stock moves with the MJ market. So if Canopy and Aurora and Tilray and all the Canadian MJ stocks start selling off like Sundial, high tide will sell off with those MJ stocks, period. But this is just my opinion, right? So, retail is not going to change their mind. They're not going to be like, oh, I'm going to be bearish one day, I'm going to be bullish one day. No, retail investors stay bullish for the company. They don't sell, but the stock price moves every single day. Volume gets traded every single day. Who you think trades that stock? The market makers, and rich people, like people that moves the market. At least in my opinion, anyways. Unless I'm not, maybe I'm wrong on this, but I feel like big money moves the market. So if big money decides to sell off all MJ stocks and then crash them real hard, high tide will go down with the market. High tide could go back down to $2 or $3, but then that would make Canopy go down to like $10, and then all the other MJ stocks go down with it too. So this either high tide right now is a buying opportunity, because I feel like by the time they report the next earnings report, there's going to be another pump, and then after the earnings report, there's going to be another dump. That's how high tide stock works right now. I think high tide is like a waiting game. It's a waiting game for legalization in the United States, because high tide's business strategy is all around the legalization of the United States. They are setting up a lot of e-commerce store, like acquiring like Daily High Club, Smoke Cartel, and Fab CBD. They're acquiring a lot of e-commerce platforms on in the United States right now, and when legalization does actually happen, I feel like high tide will benefit big time, and that's when we, as shareholders, currently I'm a big holder, will benefit from the increase in stock price in a big way. But it's a waiting game until legalization happens. The stock price is probably going to be a pump and dump for a long time, unless management comes out and delivers fantastic numbers, like super fantastic numbers that gets the market so excited that will pump it to the moon. Unless that happens, I feel like high tide is going to be a pump and dump moving forward. That's my opinion. We'll see what happens. Anyways, this is a quick video. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this. Subscribe for future updates, and have a great day. Bye.